एवढं आंदोलन करून सह्या अर्ज करून सुद्धा महापालिका का ऐकत नाहीये, का बहिरी झालेली आहे महापालिका?
आणि म्हणून आम्ही हे सगळं काही आत्ता पथनाट्यावर आपण पथनाट्य सादर केलं त्यासाठी. पण नक्कीच कला बदलली असली पण ती कलेचं कारण बदललं नाही आणि ते कारण तेच आहे की पलुसकर कधी उघडणार. पण प्रेक्षकांनी सुद्धा या आव्हानामध्ये भाग घेतला पाहिजे आणि त्याशिवाय ते होणार नाही. प्रेक्षक नसतील तर कुठल्याही कलाकृतीला काहीच अर्थ नसतो.
Right from V.S. Khandekar, that is Kusumagraj, to Vasant Kanetkar, Nashik theatre culture has a rich legacy. And even today, the senior theatre artists from Nashik are taking Nashik's theatre culture to new heights, whether it is state level stage or national level stage. But today I have got an issue that Nashik theatre artists are facing, and that is a genuine issue. Hello, this is Chitra Rajguru from Nashik. You are watching Lokmat Times. Right now I am standing in Panchavati, Indrakunda area at Paluskar Mini Theatre. This mini theatre consists of sitting arrangement for 160 people. It has state-of-art sound system, light system and the parking system. Now this theatre was first built in 1998 by Nashik Municipal Corporation. It was renovated in year 2022. But the sad part is, even after 3 years, the theatre is not yet open for public and most importantly for the theatre artist. This theatre is ideal for amateur and budding artists in city. So why the mini theatres are needed in Nashik? Nashik city basically has two major theatres for theatre artists, that is Kalidas Kala Mandir and Parshuram Saikidkar Natyagruha. Both the theatres hold higher seating capacity and the expenses are also higher. Budding theatre artists cannot afford these theatres for their experimental plays or the small act plays. Paluskar, on other hand, is an ideal theatre for budding artists in Nashik for experimental theatre performances and the small act performances. The theatre artists of IPTA are following up for the inauguration of this theatre for the people and the theatre artists. From 2 years, the team is following up with the administration regarding the inauguration of the theatre. But now, today, even after the following up and many complaints registered in Nashik administration office, no proper reply has been given to the team. The theatre is still closed for people. Now today, after all these IPTA members, the theatre artists are staging a unique protest in the premises of Paluskar Sabhagruha. This protest is unique, the team says. What exactly is this protest? What exactly are the demands of IPTA members, the theatre artists? How this protest look like? Let's find the answer in this video.
So we are here in the premises of Digambar Paluskar Theatre. It's a good theatre of 150 to 200 seats, and the problem is it got for a renovation under a smart city project in March 2019, and also it got completed in 2022. But since then, till the date, it has not opened, and we don't know what the problem is since it is still not open.
On 27th March, on World Theatre Day, we gave a memorandum to the NMC Ayukta Commissioner, and we demanded that it must be opened as soon as possible. They gave us the promise. They promised us that in 7 days they'll do the tender and all the process, and they'll open the theatre. But today it's 7th April, and after 10 days also there has been no processing. Nothing has been done from on the part of NMC, and it is a artist organization. We are doing it for the artists. So we, the artists of Nashik, are protesting in a artistic way. We are doing a play which we have set, and that is called Kissa Paluskar Ka. We are going to tell Nasikkers and all the artists and the commoners that what is the story of this Paluskar theatre, and this is our creative way of protesting against the NMC.
The artists like us who are not very financially stable, but we have acting as our passion. So we need mini theaters for embracing our art in less amount or in affordable rate. All the artists who are performing or who are willing to do experimental theaters. So the Paluskar Theatre is very important for all those artists.
we know that just doing a protest like this won't it won't resolve the issue. They won't get to work just by doing this. So we know that this is a long fight, and this is one of the steps of the fight. We gave we did a sign campaign, then we gave the memorandum, then we are doing this protest. The next step would be we are going to demonstrate outside the NMC. It's not only about us getting theatre. It is about the entire cultural movement, the cultural scene of Nasik.
A fight from a group of artists to save the place, I'll say a temple where art is pursued, art is worshipped. We also spoke to Mr. Gurmeet Bagga, who initially built this theatre, this mini theatre back in 1998. Let's see what he is saying.
स्मार्ट सिटी एक कंपनी है, वो जब कॉरपोरेशन को हैंड ओवर करेगी तो उसमें उसके जो काम हुआ है उसका थर्ड पार्टी इंस्पेक्शन हुआ है कि नहीं, उसकी पोजीशन क्या है, उसके बाद में जो कॉन्ट्रैक्टर से उनका एग्रीमेंट है वो ट्राई पार्टी एग्रीमेंट कॉरपोरेशन के साथ करना पड़ेगा। इसके लिए स्मार्ट सिटी ने पहले पहल करनी चाहिए, और इसके साथ जब ये होगा डिफेक्ट लाइबिलिटी पीरियड, क्योंकि कॉन्ट्रैक्टर के ऊपर डिफेक्ट लाइबिलिटी पीरियड होता है, वो कॉरपोरेशन और कॉन्ट्रैक्टर का एग्रीमेंट होने तक कॉरपोरेशन उनको डिफेक्ट लाइबिलिटी पीरियड में दोषी नहीं पकड़ पाएंगे। उसी तरह जो थर्ड पार्टी इंस्पेक्शन है उसको कॉरपोरेशन चेक करेगी, और कॉरपोरेशन अपने थर्ड पार्टी से भी इसको सर्टिफाइड करेगी कि इसका साउंड सिस्टम कैसा है, इसका एकॉस्टिक सही हुआ है कि नहीं, इसकी चेयर सही है कि नहीं। ये होने के बाद ये महापालिका यानी कॉरपोरेशन अपने कब्जे में ले सकेगी। स्मार्ट सिटी में इसने फर्स्ट पहल करनी चाहिए। उनकी जल्दी चल रही है कि हमारे कब्जे लो, लेकिन कब्जे में लेते हुए जो उनकी फॉर्मेलिटी थे वो उन्होंने पूरी करनी चाहिए। वो पूरी करने के बाद कॉरपोरेशन ने इमीडिएट लेके ये इमीडिएट खुला करना चाहिए, क्योंकि नासिक के एमेच्योर्स को वो सस्ता पड़ता है। इसमें नासिक के कला क्षेत्र की आज हानि हो रही है, वो इससे बच पाएंगे।
Basically, Paluskar Mini Theatre is caught between the smart city excuses and the NMC excuses. But between this fight, who is suffering is the art and the artist of Nashik.